Today we're diving into the top 10 trending Python repositories on GitHub. Whether you're hunting for your next side project, looking for tools to level up your workflow, or just curious about what's hot in the Python world, I've got you covered. These repos are blowing up right now with stars, forks, and contributions, and you'll definitely want to keep an eye on them. So grab your coffee, smash that like button, and let's jump into this week's trending Python projects. First up, topping our list at number 1 is mobile use, an AI agent that lets you control your Android or iOS device using natural language. Send messages, navigate apps, or scrape data and convert it to JSON, all through natural commands. It's UI-aware, extensible with different LLMs, and makes your phone feel like a personal AI assistant. If you've ever wanted to talk to your phone like Jarvis, mobile use brings that closer to reality. Coming in at number 2 is Orchestrator, a multi-agent AI coder that ranked number 13 on Stanford's Terminal Bench. Orchestrator acts as the brain of an AI team. It breaks tasks into subtasks, sends out explorer agents to analyze code, coder agents to implement, and verification agents to double-check results. Its context store ensures knowledge is reused across tasks, creating compound intelligence that builds on past discoveries. If you're fascinated by collaborative AI coding systems, Orchestrator is incredible. At number 3, we've got HunyuanWorld-Voyager from Tencent, a video diffusion framework that can generate 3D consistent scene videos from a single image. You define a camera path, and Voyager produces aligned RGB and depth sequences, enabling world exploration and direct 3D reconstruction. It combines world-consistent video diffusion with long-range exploration caching and has been trained on a dataset of over 100,000 clips. If you're into immersive scene generation or 3D video pipelines, this repo is a must-see. Next is ViPE, the video pose engine from NVIDIA, designed for geometric 3D perception. ViPE takes raw videos, dashcam cinematic shots, even 360 degrees panoramas, and annotates them with camera poses and dense depth maps. By combining dense optical flow, SLAM-based point tracking, and monocular depth networks, ViPE produces scale-consistent 3D reconstructions. The project also comes with a massive annotated dataset of 96 million frames, accelerating spatial AI research for robotics, AR/VR, and 3D vision systems. Halfway through our list is Flash Sparse Attention, a next-gen kernel that makes sparse attention blazing fast on modern GPUs. Traditional sparse attention wastes compute and memory, especially on small group sizes. FSA flips the kernel loops and splits computation into 3 specialized kernels, drastically reducing memory access and boosting speed. It's optimized for NVIDIA Ampere and Hopper GPUs, supports FP16, BF16, and works for both training and inference on large language models. Next up is WallX, an ambitious project to build general-purpose robots powered by an embodied foundation model. By compressing high-fidelity streams of physical interactions and creating a feedback loop between decisions and lived experience, WallX aims for truly generalizable intelligence. The repo includes end-to-end training and inference pipelines, data prep with LeRobot, fast action branches, and evaluation utilities for both simulated and real robots. If you're into embodied AI, this one is fascinating. At number 7, we have Disciplined AI Software Development, Collaborative, a structured methodology for working with AI on development projects. It tackles common problems like code bloat, architectural drift, and context dilution using 4 systematic stages: AI configuration, collaborative planning, systematic implementation, and data-driven iteration. The framework keeps projects modular, debuggable, and data-driven, saving hours of debugging while helping AI-assisted projects scale effectively. Coming in at number 8, we've got absolutelyright, a playful system that tracks how often Claude Code validates your life choices. It's built with a Rust backend, Axum plus SQLite, a lightweight frontend with HTML and JavaScript using rough viz charts, and Python scripts for collecting and uploading validation counts. If you want a bit of humor while exploring Rust plus Python integration, this project is a fun one to play with. Number 9 is SpikingBrain, a brain-inspired approach to large AI models. It combines hybrid efficient attention, mixture of experts modules, and spike encoding to achieve top-tier performance with less than 2% of typical training data, optimized for non-NVIDIA clusters. SpikingBrain supports large-scale training and inference while achieving over 100 times speedup in TTFT for 4M token sequences. The repo includes the full SpikingBrain 7B implementation and weights, including Hugging Face, VLLM inference, and quantized versions. Neuromorphic-inspired AI meets efficiency. This one's a must-check. Rounding out our list is MILo, short for Mesh-in-the-Loop Gaussian Splatting, a cutting-edge framework for efficient and detailed 3D surface reconstruction. MILo introduces a differentiable mesh extraction process during optimization of 3D Gaussian splatting representations, allowing gradient flow from mesh to Gaussians for bidirectional consistency. The result? Higher quality meshes with far fewer vertices, perfect for physics simulations, animations, and real-time rendering. And it works with any Gaussian splatting pipeline, making your 3D reconstructions lightweight and practical. And that's a wrap on this week's top 10 trending Python repositories on GitHub. Which of these projects are you most excited to try? Drop your favorites in the comments, smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more developer-focused open source highlights.